Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best wooden circles is probably one of the most versatile craft supplies you can have in your arsenal. From personalized ornaments to unique game pieces, these simple wooden discs open up a world of creative possibilities. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of 3-inch wooden circles, exploring their uses, and helping you decide if they're the right fit for your next project. Number 5. WLIANG 3-inch wooden circles for DIY crafts. These wood circles are each 3 inches in diameter and 0.1 inches thick. They are blank and unfinished, perfect for various DIY projects. You can easily create unique decorations. The blank surface provides ample space for your creativity. You can paint, dye, or decorate them as you wish. Use your imagination to create murals, tags, or souvenirs. Enjoy crafting with your child by punching holes and painting these wood circles. You can make decorations or coasters for each family member. It's a fun and creative activity. These wood circles are versatile and can be used for coasters, art projects, parties, and home decor. They are also great for photo props, wedding and Christmas decorations, and more. The possibilities are endless. Made from strong and durable poplar plywood, these circles are laser cut with a smooth surface and no burrs. They have no pungent smell, ensuring a pleasant crafting experience. They are ready for your next project. What we like? This product features a smooth, laser-cut surface, making it perfect for detailed painting and crafting. The durable poplar plywood ensures your creations will last. If you're looking for a reliable base for your DIY coasters, art projects, or home decorations, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The quality of the wood circles is fantastic, smooth and well cut, with no rough edges. The 3-inch size is just right for creating ornaments, signs, and decorative pieces, and the fact that I received 50 in one pack means I have plenty to work with. Perfect for laser machine. Son did a project and these were perfect to engrave burn using a laser machine. Thickness is great and no warping under the laser. Number 4. 60-pack 3-inch unfinished wood circles. These unfinished wood circles are perfect for all your crafting needs. They provide a smooth surface, ready for painting, staining, or wood burning. We ensure each pack contains 60 high-quality wood slices. Each piece is carefully checked to guarantee it arrives in perfect condition. Made from natural wood, this product offers a smooth and sturdy surface. It's easy to work with, allowing you to create beautiful and lasting projects. Let your imagination run wild. You can embellish these blank wooden circles with paint, beads, paper, or yarn. The possibilities are endless. Get a great value with this set of 60 wood circles. Use them for coasters, ornaments, gift tags, or kids' craft projects. It's ideal for Christmas and other festivals. These wooden circles are perfect for decoration, coasters, cutouts, and more. You can add your own personal touch and create unique works of art. What we like? This product offers a smooth and sturdy surface, ideal for various crafting techniques. With a great value set, you get plenty of wood circles for your projects. If you enjoy DIY fun and want to create unique coasters, ornaments, or decorations, consider this one. What people say. Use these to make cute magnets for our wedding favors. They stained beautifully. These are for magnetic or coaster and they are also great for Christmas tree decorations. Mostly all were identical in shape and size. Depending on what you're doing with them, they're a great little craft piece. Number 3. Unfinished wooden circles for DIY crafts. These wooden circles come in a pack of 100. They are perfect for all your DIY craft needs. You'll have plenty to work with for various projects. Each circle measures 3 inches wide and is 0.1 inch thick. The size is ideal for many different crafting applications. It's easy to handle and work with. Made from natural wood, these circles are non-toxic and odorless. They are an environmentally friendly choice for your projects. You can compost them after use. The surfaces are blank, smooth, and sturdy, ready for your creativity. You can easily stain or paint them. Let your imagination run wild with these wood slices. Use them as coasters, Christmas decorations, or wedding ornaments. They're also great for sculptures, photo props, and more. The possibilities are endless with these craft supplies. What we like. This product is made from eco-friendly materials, making it a great choice for environmentally conscious crafters. It provides value DIY craft supplies to meet your various decorative needs. If you are an environmental activist or simply prefer sustainable materials for your projects, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These are great for laser engraving. Solid and well made. Well made and cut out. Number 2. Kingrol 3-inch wood slices for crafts. These wood slices are made of durable boxwood plywood, ready for any craft project. You can easily add colors or designs to them. The surface is blank and unstained, offering a large space for your creativity. It's perfect for writing, painting, and more. Embellish these unfinished wood slices with paint, glitter, or beads. You can create custom wall hangings or unique art pieces. They are great for personalizing your home decor or event decorations. Attach them to favor bags or use them in bouquets. This set includes 150 wood slices, each 3 inches in diameter and 1/8 inch thick. They also come with pre-drilled holes and jute twine for easy hanging. What we like. This product comes with a small hole drilled, perfect for hanging and easy decoration. With a set of 150 wood slices, you'll have plenty to work with. If you like to make personalized decor accents for your home or event, especially for Christmas ornaments or wedding hanging decor, this is a great option. What people say. I put a sublimation vinyl on them, then sublimate onto it. Turns out nicely. These are perfect, exactly what I was looking for. Wanted something simple that I could make my own for Christmas gifts. Very lightweight, and even though some reviews mentioned said they received some broken, none of mine were. Have bought several sets of these. Great quality. I glue photos to them to make ornaments for the tree. Number 1. Blisstime 3 wood circles for crafts, 36 PCS. This set of blank wood circles is perfect for your daily crafting needs. It's designed to meet all your decorating and DIY project requirements. These round wood slices come in various sizes, so you can pick the perfect one for your project. Whether you're crafting, decorating, or building, it has the right size for you. Made from strong and durable plywood, it won't easily crack or break. The surface is smooth and has no unpleasant scent. Carefully crafted with laser cutting, it has a smooth and safe finish, perfect for coloring. It's ideal for painting, writing, and other crafts, letting your creativity flow. These unfinished wood rounds are great for art classes, games, and decorations. Use it for weddings, parties, home decor, or any DIY project. What we like. This product offers a value package, providing you with multiple wood crafts. It is made of premium material with exquisite design. If you are looking for a versatile set of wood circles for various projects, from painting to wood burning, this is the one for you. What people say. Well-made circles lend themselves to many crafts. Easy to hand drill hole if needed and accept paint well. Thickness is a good sturdy quality, made Christmas ornaments with them and they turned out great. Smoothly finished, accurately sized, and perfect for many craft uses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.